I just interviewed Charlie, who did what every entrepreneur wants. He quit his job and built his business to 27K MRR with no employees.
As of today, Links is at 27K MRR. What's kind of cool is that these days I'm actually not spending much time on Links at all.
But he also did something that nobody wants. After he quit his job, his side hustle didn't work out, so he had to go back to the same exact job.
Wow, that's an interesting story. He's doing $27,000 a month with 0 employees. That is a dream for a lot of people. However, we are not going to watch the full video. We will analyze the video using AI. We will learn the steps. We will simplify it and make it implementable for you. And for that, I will use one of my newest applications. It's called Teachable. All these applications are available for our students at our 99% done for you program. These are some of the results of our members. These guys are either 9-to-5ers or business owners, and they were able to pull off this kind of affiliate commissions per sale by using our 99% done for you system. If you're interested to learn more about our program, go to this website, moshbari.com, or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio based on where you're watching this video from. And after watching the free training video, it should be completely clear to you. But if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. So I have the link of the video that I will put here. And I have this tiny section provided by AI that I will put right here. And click import clips. And in a matter of seconds, all these clips that I need in order to show you the important parts of the video and explain you how you can implement these teachings in this video are all here. I can simply click any section, play it, and then explain to you. How cool is that? But that's not all. I actually prepared for this video a couple of minutes ago because I have such a nice tool. And I added some more clips manually. And I saved those clips in a tiny single file in my computer. I'm going to click import and basically load the full section in a split second. Amazing? But that's not all. We made this application using AI. It took around 1 hour. Crazy, right? We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help, because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. Okay, the method discussed in this video is called freedom, and you will start making money from this step. Let's start from step number 1F.
He followed his own curiosity, solved his own problems, and launched into a market with clear demand.
So step 1, curiosity. Follow curiosity. But following curiosity is not enough. This may just waste your time and money. So you should understand why he chose what he did.
Cool.
And where did you first come up with the idea? Obviously, there's things like Linktree and other link in bio tools. How did you think through, okay, I have this idea, and then start to build it?
Before we go there, let me explain. You have probably seen these kind of websites in people's bio on Instagram. When you click on these links, a website with multiple other links show up. And Linktree is a popular service provider for this kind of website. And you can start for free. Unlimited links for free. A fair warning, don't start using just because it's free without knowing why you are using it. And you should also know what you are going to lose if you put way too many links in one website. I highly recommend watching the free training from moshbari.com, or link in the description or link in the bio. From the training, you will clearly know what kind of website you should use. And I'll tell you, there is only one kind of website you should use. Companies like Facebook uses that kind of website. Google uses that kind of website. Even YouTube uses that kind of website because they plain work. In any case, He found a market demand, so he went for it.
As I mentioned, like this was almost 5 years ago now. And at the time, it was a less competitive space, right? Like,
Okay, don't worry about competition. It's not exactly called competition. It's called customer sophistication. And when sophistication happens, there are ways to handle that.
like Linktree already existed, and there were a few other sort of link in bio tools.
So what did he do? Did he just steal their idea and launch an exact same thing under a different name, or what?
And seeing that for most people, their personal website doesn't need to be much. It's more of a place where they can link out to all the other stuff they're doing online, and sort of seeing how simple the tools were at the time and feeling like I could do something like that, improve a few areas, like make it
better. He just made a better tool. So it wasn't a copy paste. It wasn't stealing competitors' idea. It's doing something that others are not doing, but customers are looking for it. Now, the next step is interesting because most people fail to understand. This might be a crucial step to sustain and win big.
Side hustle didn't work out, so he had to go back to the same exact job. And here's the crazy part. It worked out just fine. He used that time to build the foundation for what soon would come.
I actually went back to my previous job full-time, continued developing these two projects on the side. After almost 4 years of that, had grown it to 25K, and that's when I quit my job.
So if your business or side hustle doesn't work, don't worry and return to your job. You will get paid, you will gain some time, and regain the time and energy you need to rebuild the business. Guys, remember this step is a crucial one to get paying customers at the next step.
How did you get your very first users and get it to 1K MRR?
So the very first users were actually people who were already using my other product, Visual. And so they were kind of my initial target audience, like artists who were selling their stuff online. And so I had a few people who I'd been in touch with for my other project, and I asked them like, hey, I noticed you're using Linktree. Like, I built this thing that's kind of like Linktree, but more powerful. At the time, it was completely free. And I sort of onboarded people manually, almost being like, here, I'll help you set up your page. Let me know what you think. And that's how I got my first free users at the time. I then launched on Product Hunt and sort of shared it more publicly on my socials, all that. At the time, it was still a free product.
So what's the crucial step? Engage early adopters by helping them. And this first step can be free. If it is free, where is the money, Mosh?
Sort of like shipping the initial version that I shipped the paid option, sort of like moved a bunch of the more advanced features behind that, the subscription, grandfathered all the existing users into keeping those features for free, but any new users had to pay to access those features, and very quickly saw that people were willing to pay. And I think it took me about 6 months from like shipping the MVP of the product to getting to 1K MRR. So it was quite fast. There was, less competition at the time. Some of the initial sort of product hunt, some marketing I did, just sharing on my socials resonated well. I did a few paid ads on Instagram, and some of those worked. And yeah, that I was able to sort of.
You see, when this part is done, you have some raving fans that you help, and they gave you great testimonials. This lays the foundation to the paid version of your product or application. And then when you run ads or social media engagement, all these previous engagements and the previous testimonials from helping others will work hand in hand, make sales, and help you make money. Now that you got paying customers, what are you going to do next?
Build it for them. And so that was probably the biggest thing that I would prioritize was just customer requests. Some of them were stupid and I didn't do them, but like a lot of them weren't. And I never knew what was going to be the thing that resonated with people. And like this sort of very simple mechanism to manage multiple profiles, which probably took me like a day to implement, is now like a quarter of my revenue.
That is step number D. Detect what people want. Not the stupid ones, but the actual good and helpful ones that help you stand out in the market and help them, your customers, get better support and product and become a raving fan of you and your product.
And it's just getting better. And so, yeah, I've now sort of gotten to the point where I would say 50% of my code is like AI generated.
Yeah, one of the most popular AppSumo tools is an AppSumo Originals tool, TidyCal, which is a lifetime deal for basically a Calendly.
O stands for outsource your work with AI. When I built this application all by myself without knowing a single line of coding. Yeah, I have software companies and we generated over 8 figures selling softwares, but I have zero knowledge on coding. I just know business, not coding. But these AI platforms made software creation so easy and fun that even I can do it. The last step is the most important step. Money for free. You see, in this whole system, the only expensive part was when he said he ran Instagram paid advertisements. So if you want to make more money by saving money, then you will need traffic for free. So here is what we do in order to get free traffic and make $500 commissions. Just like these guys. Yeah, he got $200 commission, $250, $350. Again, another $350, $500 commission, $300 commission, $500 commission, $300 commission, $947 commission, $4,590 commission. We simply use AI to learn new skills fast. Then we use our AI experience and the lesson or skill we learned and turn those skills into short form videos. Then we upload those videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms send us free views, which are also called traffic. These free traffic watch our videos, and at the end, they are directed to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. The job of this funnel is to sell $500 to $1,000 product. And when there is a sale, you earn 50% commission, which is $250 to way up to $1,000 in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our members love our program is because it's 99% done for you. And you can learn about our program from moshbari.com or from the link in the description or from the link in the bio, and I want to see you there. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family, because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.